Hi everyone, welcome to our channel GR Trigger. In this video, we are going to have a quick revision on GST turnover limit for registration. For exclusively supply of goods, the central government has given an option for normal category states to choose either 40 lakhs or 20 lakhs for GST registration. And for special category states, they have given option to choose either 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs for GST registration. Apart from exclusively supply of goods, the turnover limit for normal category states is 20 lakhs and for special category states it is 10 lakhs. Here we need to know what is meant by exclusively supply of goods. Let me explain with an example. A person is supplying the goods. Apart from supplying the goods, he is also providing the services by way of giving loans or advances or deposits, for which he is receiving the consideration by way of interest or deposits. In this situation, even though he is providing the services by way of giving loans or advances and deposits, he will be considered as providing exclusively supply of goods. In this slide, I have given you the list of the state or union territory and the aggregate turnover the respective states has chosen for exclusively supply of goods and the aggregate turnover limit for other than exclusively supply of goods. Here we need to know what is meant by other than exclusively supply of goods. That is, a person is providing exclusively services or he is providing the both services and goods. Then he will be considered as providing services other than exclusively supply of goods. 11 states has been classified under special category states as per Article 279A, Clause 4, Subclause G of Constitution. However, in GST, only 4 states have been classified under special category states and the turnover is fixed based on this category. You can go through the list of the states and the respective turnover they have chosen for exclusively supply of goods and the turnover limit for other than exclusively supply of goods. For all other states, the aggregate turnover limit for exclusively supply of goods is 40 lakhs and for other than exclusively supply of goods it is 20 lakhs. You can go through the list of the states who has chosen this turnover. Section 22 of CGST Act specifies the person who are liable for registration. However, we have two exceptions to this section. That is, Section 23 of CGST Act specifies the category of persons who are exempted for taking registration. And Section 24 specifies the person who are compulsorily required to get registered under GST. So we have to cross-check these two sections in addition to Section 22 in order to determine the person who are liable to get registered under GST. Here is the memory trick for remembering the turnover limit for GST registration. The first one is President says thank you so much for Arunachal Pradesh state for donating 20 lakhs. That is, for the state of Puducherry, Telangana, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, the turnover limit for both exclusively supply of the goods and other than exclusively supply of goods is 20 lakhs. And the second one is me and mummy went to Nagaland along with 20 peoples with 10 lakhs budget. That is, for the state of Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, the turnover limit for exclusively supply of goods is 20 lakhs and other than exclusively supply of goods it is 10 lakhs. For all other the states, the turnover limit for exclusively supply of goods is 40 lakhs and other than exclusively supply of goods is 20 lakhs. Hope this video finds you useful. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe GR Trigger for more videos.